Let's continue with effectively the last of the major steps, and that's to get the Unix time system namespace that we just take from dummy and overwrite containers 1, 2, and 3. As soon as we do this, then all of these containers, including the dummy container, is sharing the alta3.com hostname. They all have the same IP address, they all see the same interface, and yes, if this guy's running on port 80 and this guy's running on port 80, that's known as a port conflict, and that's bad. So networking-wise, you do have to know what you're doing, because you, at the network level, effectively, are making container 1, container 2, and container 3 basically all joined together as a new kind of a container. Well, we're not done yet. We're almost home.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.